Buenos días. Buenos días. Buenos días. Buenos días. Um, Bunsell is asking, do I have Tesla calls? You can see these positions here, and you can plainly see that I don't have them. Um, that looks like the only mover this morning here. So trade these things, or what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sell puts. I'm going to sell puts for the whole week, and I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to call it a day. Yeah, I cleaned up the book. I think I was a little bit too early though. I really don't think there was any reason to sell anything. Um, it was uh, it was literally just covering some profits, but then once I get started, I can't stop. Um, you know, so what can I say? I had some ENPH overnight, so that's looking pretty good. I still have the spy calls. I do still have the spy calls. Fresh start is not always nice if you're going for a certain thing, man. So you got to get paid. You got to get paid, man. You know what I mean? Yeah, I could always jump back in 100%. But when you got the cost, you got the cost, man. So, don't be like this new generation, man, saying, "Oh, it's all right, it's all right." No, motherfucker, no. 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 It's not all right. No. You got to work harder. This new generation is like, "Oh, no. No. It's okay." No, it ain't okay. Shit. If that's how you gonna trade, if that's how you gonna trade, you fucked. You fucked. You fucked. You fucked. You got no shot. There is something to be said about you know not being too hard on yourself, but bro, come on. You know what I mean? Come on. Get the fuck out of here with that shit. You know, you have to get better. If you're fucking some shit up, or you need to change some habits or whatever, you better get to fucking work. Um, yeah, so I still have a little bit of meta. I still have, you know, still have all this kind of stuff. Yeah, there's a balance, Drew. Right? You do have to forgive yourself and accept where you are, and just be like, all right, hey, here's where we're at. And you definitely got to do all that stuff. But dímelo, Mario, ¿cómo estás, man? ¿Cómo fue el fin de? Picked up some snow calls a few weeks out. UPST. I like all those. You know, I like all those. Buenos días. Buenos días. Google is still, and then and then there's Roblox still. Thank God I got out of that. To be honest, so I can take another shot later on. That J.P. Morgan though was my biggest like fail. We sat there and I saw it at 142 and a half, and I just did nothing. 143, it did nothing. That was clean. That one was clean. I'll tell you what needs to play catch up is the Bank of America, the KREs, and all that kind of stuff. So JPM is straight best of breed. So those are clean. Melly is something I've been waiting and watching. Shop 65 is something I've been waiting and watching. You got the Nvidia up here again. AMD is up here. Nvidia could be a laggard too. So now, as long as they hold the market up, you got to figure out where they're going to move into. So if we can figure that out, we got some game here. I still think they're going to buy BTC, and BTC is going to print like 32, 33, and this MSTR is going to fucking fly. You know, that washout was nice. You know. Cheese is saying might be a dumb question in your opinion, but is it easier to trade with bigger capital? Yes, absolutely. It's easier to trade with bigger capital, but it's easier to trade with bigger capital if you're an experienced trader. If you're an asshole who's starting out and you have big capital, you're gonna fuck it all up because you don't have the tricks yet. You don't have the tricks. You don't know how to hedge. You don't know how to stick and move. You don't know how to adjust. You don't know how to do any of this stuff. By the way, if anybody, if that's what your issue is, that you don't know how to stick and move, you don't have the tools to hedge, that is what the master course is all about. Luis, ¿cómo está, man? No, aquí tranquilo. Aquí tranquilo. Tengo mi hija aquí visitando. Um, so yeah, all I'm gonna do. Let's start screening SPX calls for the whole week. Um, Tyler is saying you've seen these new deals these prop firms just released. Are you talking about funded traders or actual prop firms? Go ahead and send them to me. I'd love to see. Um, I'm Wicked is saying people think if you have a million to trade, you're set. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't fucking work like that at all. Cheese is saying starting options. What's minimum account size you need to actually have a chance? That's a dumb question. You got to start with whatever you got, man. Luis, sí, sí, gracias, bro. Gracias. Um, después del 4, vamos para Canóvanas. So, vamos a quedarnos en Canóvanas como una semana en Cubuy. So, you know, vamos a hacer un par de cosas en el yunque. Geez, don't be sorry, man. But if it's a dumb question, is it, you just don't know it yet. You know what I mean? People ask that question all the time, But those are the questions that people ask when they're hesitating. You know what I mean? You can't hesitate. You can't fucking hesitate. There is no hesitation here, bro. If you got 2 grand, fucking start. If you got 1 grand, fucking start. If you got five, fucking start, bro. Electricians, man. You guys. I think in the next 10 years, you guys are gonna be the highest paid motherfuckers on the planet, bro. Forget doctors, forget all this kind of other stuff. You guys are going to be the highest paid people because you guys are the only job that AI will never, ever, ever, or ever could replace, bro. So your price is going to go up, man. Just keep doing what you're doing, bro. Keep doing what you're doing. Throw some cash on the side, and you know what I mean. Birthday plans? I actually don't have any yet. I kind of fucked up this year. I wasn't planning. Yeah, man. I'm sure that was crazy, cheese. I'm sure that was nuts, man. Oh no, AI traders will lose money all day, bro. But remember, guys, just because this new word AI came out, it's like shit's different. Like people have been automated trading for fucking decades now. You know what I mean? And those people got smoked out too. So that's two different things, man. It's two different things. All right. Somebody bought $1 million of calls July 22nd or July 21st, 265s of Tesla at the close yesterday. They're going to be up in fat double. See, that's what having bigger money is like, cheese. Like you think $1 million will check? These guys got the real shit. They got $100 million account, right? $100 million account. They take a shot with $1 million off a fucking deliveries number over the weekend with ten. You know what I mean? They don't care about the mill. But if they hit 2x, 3x. They'll take that bet all day, man. I can't do that shit. I mean, I suppose I could with 100,000 or 50,000 or 25, but there's levels to all this stuff. So fuck thinking about what everybody else has, man. Just worry about what you got and what you need to do to keep moving. You don't have another choice anyway. Um, you really don't have another choice. That snap, in reality, the Snapchat, I had no reason to cover. I had no reason to cover. I mean, I could roll these things. I could roll these things, I guess, but I don't know. Listen, all day today, I'm just going to be trading the Tesla and then the ENPH. I need to put some size out on ENPH to get the hell out. So I got 1,500 shares left, it looks like. Let's go ahead and try to sell half at 170, and then we'll leave the rest. We'll see if we get the fill. All right, so all I want to do is collect like $80,000 in premium this week, and that's it, because I'm not gonna push the long that much. But this AMD still looks good. I mean, I still have a little bit of it. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Happy Fourth to yourselves. Um, that Apple had a really nice close yesterday, like really nice. Um, let's take a look at some small caps. Maybe we got some decent small caps here to fuck with. I like the reshort on AMC, 100,000 shares. Boom, just take it. I probably ain't gonna do it. PLM, Polynet, Polymet Mining. I don't know what this shit is. Who cares? PRFX. This looks like a reverse split. Armed, Alvo. I don't know how you guys trade this shit. I really don't. GBAG, blah, blah, blah. BTM. What do you think about SMCI? I've been accumulating that name in the IRA since $70. Going to keep DCAing that name every chance I get. I mean, then what the fuck does it matter what I think? You already have your plan, man. Go do what you got to do, man. What's going on? Bank earnings in 2 weeks. Probably still time to get JPM for pre earnings run. Do these things do pre earnings run? I don't know, man. Most banks look like shit. Like if I were to go long something, I would never go long a bank besides JPM or maybe Goldman Sachs. Even Goldman Sachs now doesn't look that hot if you look at the longer term picture. So what could change on these? What could change really? So what's the overall narrative? You know what I mean? For you to buy banks besides the fact of a rotation. By the way, oil is up a little bit this morning. I like the buy on XOM. I'm not going to do it though. You got a name like Peloton, still can't bounce. Gold here is up this morning. Other than that, man, I got nothing. I got nothing. That Joby, I remember that thing, man. Yo, that Joby. There was only one short that day where it popped to 12, and then it just sucked. Are people looking at banks because it's the only sector that hasn't gone yet? Oscar, eh, meh, meh is all I have to say on that one. If you're gonna buy them, I'd buy the J.P. Morgan. Netflix here is down off the open, but doesn't matter. Take a look at Mara and all this kind of other stuff. The BTC, if you look at the BTC this morning here, it's trading around 30,600. I want to say. Let me go ahead and get this hooked up right here. Beep. No, that's not it. There we go. All right, so if you look at the crypto here this morning, 30,600. I like, actually, you know what I like the better than BTC is this Ether. You know what? I'm gonna buy some Ether too. I'm gonna buy some Ether right now, man. Let's switch over to Ether. Let's see how much I got. I only got 0.03 in here in this account. Damn, that's fucking nothing. So if I buy the 2,000 calls on Ether, let's see if I can even buy one. Oh shit, I can buy one. All right, I bought one contract of $2,000 calls on Ether. Probably gonna need to sell some puts here. Yeah, Rivian Gap up, XLE, XLF, da 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 da. I bought Pepe on Friday. People are getting stupid again about these scam coins. Good luck on that. Um, you know, it could easily work. Rotation to alts is actually a good theory. Um, in which case, recently, that BCH has really been moving. This GRT is up 22% overnight. I used to trade this thing. What is it? What is this thing again? GRT. I forgot what this thing was. Man, it should have it up here. Got a friend that hit hard on an NFT short. Didn't even know you could short NFTs. Dom, what are they using? What are they actually using? Because that was one of the greatest shorts ever. I found a platform to do it on, but I couldn't get a counterparty to hit me. Oh yeah, the graph, GRT. What a piece of shit. How did they structure the trade? And if you don't know, and this friend is just talking, man, you might have to slap the shit out of this dude because he's just talking out of his ass. Because it wasn't easy to get a short. It wasn't easy to get the short off. Thoughts on TGLS? TGLS, which is Technoglass. I have no idea. I don't trade shit like this. Buy it, short it. The fuck do I know? Yeah. 9 minutes here to the open. Let me get some food. AJ will be back soon once we get this production going. Russia Louise. Silver. GP Raver's talking about. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, maybe. Buy gold today. Maybe. I got honestly, I'm just gonna sell puts for the whole week. Across the board? Yep, across the board. Which NFT perp? I'm talking to the chat. Let me see if I can find this then. Let's see if we can find this. I mean, if there's a fucking NFT perp that I don't fucking know about, I'm gonna be pissed. No results. Oh yeah, that'll work. Yeah, that'll totally work. It's a great idea. NFT perp XYZ. Fuck me. Fuck me. It looks like you can only do a couple of them. Fuck me. I didn't know this existed. Thank you for sending me out. This is a DeFi thing. Oh man, look at this fucking shark. Oh man. Oh man. And what was this? This was back to the 19th. Oh, get the fuck out of here. Cuz the Azukis had some news on it. There was some news on the Azukis. I forget what the hell it was. Yeah, no, this shit is gonna be illiquid as fuck. You're gonna get, you can only come here and trade this if you know some shit's going down. God damn it. Yeah, look at the year on Board Ape, yo. What a fucking short, man. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Sometimes you got so many ideas, you're not fucking focused on this shit, man. You're just not focused on the shit. I mean, I was talking about shorting these things for such a long time, man. Fuck. It is what it is. You can't. What am I gonna do? Chase this now? No. This is the short on NFTs. Yeah, pretty much. Everything moved the same. I mean, some went to straight zero, man. Board Ape is still wherever the hell it is. Let me look on OpenSea and see where the Board Apes are. Right. So you need the right. So you got to pay for the few. Oh wow, they changed this layout. Board Ape Yacht Club. Yeah, it's a 30 ETH floor price. I mean, that shit came down a lot. Like a lot. Um, where are the stats on this? Analytics. Floor price down 20% in the last month alone, man. That's comedy. Comedy. All right. Uh, 2 minutes here before the open. Remember, all the tech stocks are going to have those programs off the open. I'm just going to pull up the Tesla here. Tesla's going to be the one here that I'm fucking around with the most. Um, and then maybe Nvidia, AMD. They kind of look decent off the open. Um, remember, we're still in that EMPH. We're still in that EMPH, and it's actually trading 99 right now. So that's well, not really. Somebody just put a dark pool up there. So let's see if we get our fill at 170 on the ENPH, and then we'll hold the rest of it. Or should we just hold it? Or should we just hold it? I don't know. It looks pretty good. All right, let's fake this out here. Let's put 170. Put ourselves 300 here, EMPH. AMD printing higher here. Printing higher. I only have 25 left of that though, so whatever. Um, quite the move though. Alt Energy might start running again. Might want to hold it. Whatever. The win here has got an interesting gap up. Yeah, man, still looks. It's just dead. That's all. It actually over the big picture. It looks amazing. Google has been looking bad. Yeah, they're just not rotating back to it. But we need to stay on point and wait for this. Oh Jesus, this Nvidia blew up. 426 off the open. I got printed for 300 shares on ENPH there, so that's cool. Okay, first order of business, folks, is to short the puts. First order of business is to short the puts. We have to find the puts to short, though. So what are we going to find here? Let's get a read on where we opened up yet. For all right, here comes the ENPH. Just printed 171 here. Somebody's just going market here off the open, though. I don't know how long this will continue for, but we should probably sell some more. I'll try to sell 171. SPY here flopping a little bit. Okay, we just got the fill 171. We also need to watch Tesla. 277 off the open on that Tesla. Nvidia looks fucking sick, man. Damn. On that fucking Nvidia there. All right, SPX is trading opened at 4,442. 4,442. So for today, since it's a half day, we don't want to trade anything for the half day. We want to go to July 5th. So if we sell the 4,400s, which is 40 handles out, we can get $2. Do we like that? Do we like that? I don't know. Do we like that? And then we go to July 6th, which would be what, Thursday? Or we go to the 7th. and we sell the 4400s, and we can make a lot more money. I don't know. Some decisions here we got to make here. All right, let's sell the July 5th 4400s. Right, so we get $2 for that. Right, so we get, man, but once you spread it out, you're not making that much. So I gotta, shit. All right, fine. Want to play rough? $279 on that Tesla. Impressive. All right, we're gonna sell 50 of tomorrow's SPY puts, and then we're gonna sell the Fridays. We're gonna sell the Fridays 4400s as well. Should we sell the 4400s though? Because that gets us back down to what, 38? Is that safe? It's not really safe, but yeah, fuck it. Fuck the week here. All right, so we're gonna sell 25 of these of the Fridays. This one's a little bit more riskier, but we're gonna massage it. We're gonna massage it, and then we're gonna sell some other puts. But tomorrow's, let's definitely blow out on. Let's definitely blow out on and just get 100 of these. I mean, we'll wait. We'll wait. 279 on that Tesla. ENPH 172. 172. We still got 1,000 shares left. Let's blow out another 250. AMD trading 116. Looking real good. Nvidia 428. Let's take a look at GS, Bank of America, JPM. They're doing nothing. Pins here is doing nothing. Snapchat is dead. MSTR is 3. Yo, I want to buy shares of MSTR. We're going to do this right now. We're late, though. We're fucking late. We're late. We're late. Let me know if we get a dip on that MSTR. I'll buy some of that. Again, I think BTC is going to make a run. Tesla finding resistance. Does it have resistance? Microsoft 278. Whoa. No, 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 no. That's not it. It's 340. Microsoft is doing nothing. If you look at the Netflix fade here, watching Tesla for a short. Check out the Netflix. I mean, it's weaker. You know, Nvidia just punked out at the highs there. AMD kind of did the same thing. Here's your dip if you like those. Maybe you get a bank rotation here. Maybe you get a bank rotation. This BAC is, you know, KRE here is moving. Where's that Pac West? 830. You know, watch the banks here for a rotation. That's a possible. Right, so if we put the 29, what is it, the 29 calls up for the week, they're trading 20 cents. I'll buy 250 of these to start just to fucking throw money around. What are we doing on that EMPH? We still have 750 shares. Let's dump another 250. Let's just dump another 250 here. Microsoft here selling. Nvidia here selling. Where's that Tesla? Is anybody short the Tesla? Shop here is over 65. I don't think it matters, though. FSLR and ENPH are stronger. By the way, that Spotify is never going to go down, ever, due to how much podcasting we all fucking watch. Unbelievable. Check out the BAC. Are we doing this? Are we doing this? Should we buy 1,000? I don't know. You tell me. Somebody's calling. Jesus here is calling out some flow on First Solar, December 240s, which is the high, by the way. So that's interesting. So far on the flow, you got some Apple calls. Microsoft looks fine. All this stuff looks fine, guys. All this shit looks fucking fine. I'm gonna sell some more puts on the on the. What'd you say about Meta? Yeah, they all did. They all did the same thing, which is again more indicativeness of, if that's even a word, of us continuing higher. Amazon looks really good. Let's see what I got for this book here. I only got 25 left on that Amazon though. Apple here, I'm up a chunk. Solar ETF, hottest ETF in the entire market right now. Eric Scott is saying. Um, yeah, so there's your dip on the BAC. Let's take a look at the KRE. 41.5 on the KRE. I don't know. ARC here is trading 45. Take a look at that one. Again, the swings are still fine. They're intact. They're fucking fine. So I'm going to use this to just sell more puts. What else can I get some fat premium on to sell more puts? By the way, take a look at the Peloton. Finally over $8. You know, maybe we take this one. Maybe we take this one for a flyer. Let's see. Peloton $8 calls for this week are 35 cents, which is too much. Entirely too much. I bought 100 of those just to fuck around, though. And the Nvidia here going right back to highs. AMD already at highs. Jesus. I punked out on this AMD, guys. Sad. Sad. Check out the shop. I also punked out on the shop, too. I got out too early. That thing looks fucking fine. Um, Bank of America starting to lean off a little bit. Somebody just bought some 495 calls on Tesla for July next year. Nobody cares. Somebody just bought some puts on Nvidia here. 380s for August, though. AMD's 116s for this week. I mean, look at this AMD. It's fucking flying here, man. It's fucking flying here, man. Oh, I'm such a fucking shitbird. ENPH, I only got 500 shares left. MSTR, let's take a look at MSTR. Oh, shit, it hit 356 on that MSTR. Where's BTC? I don't know why they're moving that. And it'll be relatively strong at some point this week. Meta. Take a look at the Meta. Still looks good. Where is the Peloton? I can't believe we're buying Peloton, but we are. That's what's going on right now. Tesla here 280. Watch this thing to go another 5 points straight up. Not a lot of people are looking for the long. M match. No, thank you. Mara tidy BTC. Yeah, yeah, you got that one. Microsoft here back at highs. I mean, guys, we know what's going on here. We know what's going on here. There's nothing to really talk about here. Now, if I wanted to trade SPX for today, what premium could I get? I'd have to go super close to the money, which is dangerous. But that, of course, is my middle name. 4440. Yeah, fuck it. Let's try to get $1 here. Wow, let's try to get $2 here. I mean, that was super close, but fuck it. Nah, that's not fucking get crazy. All right, let's sell 100 of these. Let's buy some more Peloton. Oh shit, this BAC. We have 500 of the BAC. BAC is now at 96. Let's fucking just buy another 500. Fuck it. Louis Pagani saying SPX single options good or better for spreads? No. It's. I mean, it's good. It's just Augustus. Yeah, I'm trading ES as well. It's good. It's just you got to be fast on SPX, man. Spreads are wider. You gotta pull off, man. You gotta know how to stick and move on that shit. SPY is the better one if you're shitty at execution. If you're shitty at execution, trade SPY because it's thicker and you don't have to deal with a lot of other stuff. All right, I bought. I got 1,000 lot of the BAC here. Let's see if we break through 29. All right, here's 29 on the BAC. Let's see what happens. I doubt they bust through it first time around. Oh, PMI came out? Oh shit, PMI just came out. Guys, is there FOMC this week?
Minutes, yeah, that's Wednesday.
You got minutes. Tesla's at 282, by the way. Did anybody buy that? You fuckers. Did you buy that? You fucking didn't buy it, did you? You didn't fucking buy it. All right, BAC over. And we got 1,000 lot. Let's see if we can, I don't know. What do we want to sell? I mean, where can this thing go? If we really do have a rotation in, what are we talking about here? 4180 on KRE. It's at the highs. This is where you should probably sell some on BAC. AMD chilling here. Where's the NVIDIA? NVIDIA 426. Let's take a look at the ENPH is holding. Peloton 815. It's holding, kind of. FOMC is on the 26th this month. Minutes. Okay, it's just the minutes. But again, minutes are enough. Shop here. Shop here looking pretty good. Hit 66. Tesla is just going. This thing doesn't give a flying fuck. Pinterest down here. Snap is 1190. IWM trade from oil and banks. Oh, is IWM better? Yeah, IWM is better. IWM looks better. Definitely does.
Oh, fuck, look at this coin, dude.
Coin 76.
Blowing people out.
Coin 76. 362 on the MSTR. Shit. Shit, and I only have 100 shares. I only have 100 shares. Guys, they're already pricing this move to happen. It's strange, though. It's strange because BTC is doing nothing. It's very strange. So it's almost like they're pricing in a move up on BTC before it happens. Which means if it does happen, this MSTR could go to fucking $400 easy. Quick, too. Microsoft fresh highs. Check out the Peloton here, fresh highs. Again, I don't think you should overstay your welcome here on the Peloton. I only have what? What do I have? I only have 200 on this. Oh, I barely have any size anyway. Steve is saying, BAC, can I buy a call expiring August 18th for $30? Oh man, Steve, you need a class in your life, bro. Listen, I'm gonna send you a link here, and I want you to just go ahead and buy it. You need some help in life. This man needs some help. All right, so let's go down here. All right, this course is the course that you need in life. Now, before though, somebody's saying Roku 67. Yeah. And that's why the ARC is doing relatively better than anything else. Take a look at the ARC 45. You know what I mean? Now, um, also, by the way, for Steve, is it Steve? Yeah, it was Steve. I think it was Steve. So, Steve, before you buy the course, take a look at this offer that we're giving. $2,500, $22,000 off on the price of the master course if you move your account over to Centerpoint, of course. But that's something that you should also take a look at as well. ENPH fresh highs. We still got 500 shares there. That MSTR, I'm up 10 fucking points on 100 shares. What a punk. What a fucking punk. All right, we're in the BAC, not really getting anywhere. The Peloton's looking okay. Microsoft just hit highs. This thing looks fine. Meta here is back to highs. Apple is the weaker one out of the pack. We take a look at the Google, whatever. Dump here on SPY. Let's take a look at Melly. Doing nothing. Shop here, 66 and a quarter, man. I fucked that all up, man. Oh, I fucked that all up, man. Fucked it all up. If you notice where they're going to different names here today. They're going to different names. They're going to their ARC names today. It's Roku. It's the Peloton. It's this shit. Still some of the tech stuff. Take a look at Bank of America, dumped out. That thing's a piece of shit. New American is saying you mentioned their pricing in the move. I just want to point out a longer time frame. When you have VIX up and market up, that's the call hype before the exhaustion on the end of a move, right? So he's making the case for the other side of the equation. That Bank of America looks like trash. So that was a fail for me. My cost is 22 cents, so I'm not down that much money though on it. But it doesn't look great. I'll hold it for a little bit here. The Peloton here looks good, but I only have 200 of it. That EMPH kind of giving out. I'm gonna bury the rest of the EMPH. Just get the leverage back here to cover the EMPH. I still got the 100 shares of the MSTR, which is still fucking going. Meta here holding. I mean, with only 100 ZM. Yeah, man. Look for names like the Roku. There's a clear rotation in the Roku here. RCL. I've been wanting to short that thing. I don't think you can just run in and short it. I think you need to buy time. But I like it. I do like it. Oh, where's Tesla? You want me to join on the Tesla short? No, thank you. No, thank you. Where's the Bank of America? Back up over 91. I'll try to sell for break even here. Let's see if I can get out break even here. Um, Flow here looks pretty blah, dead. Flow here looks pretty dead. UPS and FedEx have been in play lately, haven't they? Wow, yeah, UPS. UPS is at the gap. Is at that gap. I'd keep buying shit. You got to find the right names, though. You know what I mean? That Roku could be a good one on a dip. You know. Netflix fresh lows again, though. those they're gonna rotate out of. So those are gonna be dead. You know, those are gonna be dead for a little bit. So you gotta move to the ones that are juicy, right? So that'd be the Peloton, the Roku, you know, the Arc. You could just buy the Arc, I guess, off a dip. You know, maybe that'll work. UPSTs, I mean, I don't know. CVNA, no. All right, so the short puts again here still looking good. Okay, what I want to do is add more to the short puts for Friday. Okay, like I said, I want to just make maybe 100 grand shorting puts from now until Friday. All right, so let's open another chunk. Let's open another chunk of the short puts for Friday. All right, AMD 116 and a half fucking looks fine. Fucking thing looks fine.
40,000 calls just came in for Hood. This one's kind of been a quiet one too.
Oh, the Hood, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, Hood's another one.
it's been showing up in my list. And it's quiet. But
We should have bought 1,000 of Peloton, guys. We should have bought a fucking 1,000 of the Peloton instead of the Bank of America. Piece of shit. I'm gonna dump the rest of the Bank of America. The Peloton is where it's at, though. I only got 200 here. We bought 36 cents. It's trading 44 cents bid. I'll take off 100. But that was the one where you wanted 1,000. Um, AstraZeneca. I don't care. Meta here is at highs, but I'm down on my option, by the way. So the IVs are really coming out on the monthly options for a lot of stuff. It's funny. It's kind of funny. It's kind of funny. So even though you're getting moves higher here, the IV came in on a lot of my monthly options. I don't know what to make of that. News in 1 minute. What's the news? What?
ISM manufacturing and construction spending.
ISM and construction spending. That's enough to move us a little bit. That's definitely enough to move us a little bit. I don't think it's enough to change the trajectory of what's going on here. Um, Amazon here holding fine. Let's take a look at the Bank of America. The Bank of America is whatever. JPMGS, whatever. I mean, we're not maxed out on the short side yet, but we're you know, we're pretty close.
AJ, think Tesla needs some more time to see what 280 wants to do? Your Apple ID is working too.
What, the short?
Yeah, sell it.
Check out the Peloton. Fuck. That was the one.
Thought about getting that the other day, dude.
That was the one. That was the one. Let's see the EMPH. EMPH is fresh highs. I think this thing is going higher. I'm already out though. I fucked that one up too. I mean, as long as I can short these as long as I short these puts here, I'm gonna get maybe another 5 grand there, another 10 grand there. That's another 15, and then if I get 100 lot of the Fridays, I'm good to go. Plan is done. You know what I mean? Plan's done. Plan's done. Check the Peloton here. 50 cents here from 30. God damn it.
Idiot.
I'm gonna sell the other 100 here on the Peloton. That was nice. That was nice. Let's pull back the Bank of America here. Still trading 90s on the Bank of America. Again, do I like it? I don't know. I already fucked that up too. I already fucked that up too. Let's take a look at the Tesla. I don't know. I don't know. But considering we got 3 hours left till the close, you guys already know what names you need to be in long. It's the Roku, it's the Shopify, it's the Arc, it's the Peloton, it's shit like that. Where's the Roblox? This is a nutty market today. Offensive and defensive, very mixed as to performance. Bro, that happens every fucking day. I don't know where you've been. Airbnb 132, man. What's Jesus talking about? Tesla, more Tesla, $4 million bet on the 290s, right at the money here for next year, July, June. Jesus Christ, man. No wonder why he's. Bro, this Tesla, man. This Tesla. It's fucking Tesla. I mean, they're rolling to more swings, but nobody fucking cares on this thing. Snap here 94. Again, there was no reason to get out really, besides booking some profit. Spy here 443 and a half. We haven't gone anywhere from yesterday, so the long is still completely intact, and all they're gonna do is rotate, which we already know. Which we already know. So you guys know the deal. I'm about to go get a fucking bagel, man. I'm about to go get some lunch.
AJ, I'm interested in Target again.
Amazon, you got some bear puts here on the Amazon, but I don't think anybody gives a shit.
Teledoc? Check out Teledoc.
Teledoc, TDOC. Yeah, here's another one. Let's take a look at Bank of America. Bank of America's dead. All right, guys. I'm pretty much done for the day. Done for the day here. I'd like to buy more MSTR, but I'm late. I'd like to get a dip on that thing. I don't know if I'm gonna get it. Roblox here 41. I like the Roblox long. Remember, Roblox is a sleeper here. Roblox is a sleeper. I'd buy August though. I'd buy August. If you go to the August and buy, let's say 40. Let's see, the 42 and a half in August for $3. Jesus. Can I enjoy my life, please? Hold on, this is my daughter. Yes, baby.
Hello.
Yes, darling.
Hello.
You know I'm working.
Are you at the office?
Yes, I'm at the office.
Is the AC back on?
Yes, the AC is back on. Fucking
Okay.
bougie ass.
I'm gonna. You weren't responding to my messages,
Because I'm working.
but you always have your WhatsApp up.
Coño, baby, did you go to the grocery store?
No, I didn't.
Okay,
Because
do
I was
that.
waiting for you to respond to my messages.
Okay, do that first.
Okay.
Go to Supermax
Well,
though.
okay. I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat
All right.
first, but yeah.
Okay, go get some stuff done. You got some money. Go take a walk.
Okay.
Bye. God damn, fucking teenagers. Um, let's see. Oh, that's not a bad idea. Bring me some food. What do I want to eat from Supermax? Whatever. BAC back up into the 90s. I mean, we could try it again. I don't really want to try it though. ENPH dumped out. All right, at this point now, it's just waiting for shit to preem out, guys. That's it. It's just waiting for shit to preem out. That's literally it. That's literally it. And that's all we wanted to do. Yes, Puerto Rico definitely cares about 4th of July. It's kind of a, it's kind of an oxymoron. Is it? AMD. Oh, oh, that's why the premium came off on these things. That's what's going on here.
Shit.
That's what's going on here on the AMD and the Nvidia. That's comedy right there, guys. That is comedy. That is comedy. So they flushed these things out. Now the money's got to go somewhere, guys. Money's got to go somewhere. That kind of makes me want to go back into the BAC. All right, let's dance a little bit. All right, we bought 250 on the BAC. That's comedy. That is comedy on the AMD. There's going to be a lot of people stuck in that one. The money's got to go somewhere, though. If we're going higher, this money's got to go somewhere. So figure it out. Maybe it's the Peloton, it's the Roku, it's the, all those names. I don't know. Maybe not. I don't know. Maybe not. I bought some Bank of America again. Let's just buy another one. So we got 500 of them on those. Um, MA. Yeah. MA's always been looking good. Shop's looking good. ARC. Yeah, buy the ARC. Coin is at almost 80 bucks. What a fucking long, man. Shit. Money's got to go somewhere. Money's got to go somewhere. If they're not going to buy the AMD, the Meta, the all that kind of shit, if they're not going to buy those, money's got to go somewhere. That Peloton is a prime example, and it still looks good. Where's Tesla? I don't know. I don't know. Shop looks good though. I would buy the ARC. I would just buy ARC. Man, I gotta get a fucking haircut, man. Before anybody starts talking shit, a lineup. All right. Joby, 11 and a quarter. Good thing I didn't short this thing. I was thinking of shorting the piss out of this thing. Joby Aviation. Because I saw the chopper. I mean, the chopper is fly, man. For real, it's fly. Peloton. Smoking by on the Peloton, yo. Fucking smoking. I don't think we flush at all. What's the reason? What are they gonna, besides just fucking around on these names? Um, Steven is saying Netflix recovering. Yeah, as will everything else. Shopify is at highs. Looks fine. Bank of America 99 here. 844 on that Peloton, yo. 844 on the Peloton. Guys, I got nothing else. I got nothing else. I'm out of here. This is fucking. This is trash. You already got. You guys know what I got. That Rivian. Wow. Hit 19. Holy shit. Holy shit. That's a big deal, man. That is a big deal. This Tesla couldn't sell, man. I wouldn't be surprised if this thing goes back to highs.
I'm long at VWAP Tesla.
Yeah. I'm not surprised. Guys, what the fuck? You guys see what I got? I got the short puts. And again, my plan is just short puts, short puts, short puts, short puts, short puts. Right. So all I want to do is make, you know, 100K by the end of the month, by the end of the week, just shorting puts. That's it. Because I know we're not. I'm confident here that we're not going down. That's it. That's literally it. All right. All right, guys. Take care, and I'll talk to you guys. Well, have a great fourth. Have a great fourth. Raul is saying, give me a good reason to buy your 4K course. Um, let's see. How would I answer this? Right? Because I don't know him. You know what I mean? I don't know him, and I don't know your history per se. But let's just say, if you suck at execution, and you suck at hedging, and you suck at holding these options, um, you know, that's it. That's it right there. That's literally it right there. A lot of it though too is about the confidence, man. So we do a lot of psychology stuff, you know, because a lot of it is bigger than that, right? So you hit 14 months, right? You hit 14 months. At 14 months, you basically know, you've basically seen enough of the wins and the losses, right? You've seen enough of the wins and the losses, so you know how to make money, right? But you can't. Number one, you can't keep it, and then two, and then the third part is really how to work the execution so you can minimize the losses. Everything is that at that point is about managing the losses. That's it. It's literally it. You know, and then I would think the better way to even look at this is that forget about the 4,000. You could literally pay 2,000, move your account over to fucking Centerpoint, and you get $2,000 of cost savings. Plus, you get a fucking way better rate on your commissions here because you're gonna get 35 cents a contract here on your commissions. You know, so I would do this. I would do this in a heartbeat. This is what I would do. So if you're questioning, like, you know, if you're questioning that part of it, just questioning the 4K, um, you know, Samsa in my career, what I've made, I don't know, probably four or five, somewhere around there. Yeah, I've made a good bit. Not as much as I'd like, but shit, that Peloton 846. The fuck did I get out of this shit for? The fuck did I get out of this for? Um, yeah, I don't know. Paul, do you have any of it? Shit, man. Paul, you got any? Oh, 8.5. 8.5. I mean, you see what they're buying, guys. You see what they're buying, and you see they're coming out of some other names. So, anyways. So again, shout out to Centerpoint. Spy flop here. This is probably a place where I'm going to be able to sell more puts. Um, but yeah, have a great weekend, guys, and we'll see you. We'll see you on Wednesday. We'll see you on Wednesday. All right. Later, everybody.